This is a tutorial on how to mask a video in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorial videos that we drop every week. So what is masking? Masking in CapCut PC simply means using the mask to cover certain parts of your video to do effects, transitions, and many more. And know this, the possibilities are limitless using the mask. So let's get into this video. Drag the video you want to work on into your CapCut PC timeline. Now once you have the video in your timeline, go to the top right of your CapCut PC screen where you have video, under it basic, move next to basic you have remove BG, and after remove BG we have mask. And mask is what we need for this tutorial. Click on mask, and under it you are going to see mask highlighted and add mask. And now what I want to use masking on this video for is I want the mask to create the effect of someone looking at the subject in the video through a telescope. Click on add mask. And you are going to see different shapes that your mask can use. I want to use the circle shape, so I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, my mask has been changed into a circle shape. Let me expand it. I like this. Remember, and with this mask, I want to make the subject the focus of the video. Let's play. We can also make some tweaks on this. We're going to come down. I want to feather the edges to make it smooth. I also want to reduce this. Let's play again.